question number 50. Now I am going to start with the same topic, story sums. Next question number 16. So what is given in this question number 16? See, table is given in which some informations are given like things and price per kg. It is given in rupees. So in things, what is given? I think you can observe this tomato, potato, like as per this things the price per kg is given. So we have to find the story sums according this table. So let's start from your workbook. Your first question is, what is the price of 1/2 kg tomatoes? What is the price of 1/2 kg tomatoes? See, we have to find the price of 1/2 kg tomatoes, and you can see here in front of tomato price per kg is given ₹8, right? Again I am repeating, in front of tomato in table price per kg is given 8. So see, what we need to find? Price of 1/2 kg tomatoes, means half kg tomatoes price we have to find. So how we can do it? See, 1/2 kg of ₹8. Why? Because price per kg tomato is ₹8. So we can write like this way, 1/2 kg of ₹8, 1/2 multiplied by 8. So directly we can cut this 8 with the help of 2. 2 4s are 8. So 4 is our answer. So we can say that price of 1/2 kg tomato we are having ₹4. We can mention here price of 1/2 kg tomatoes. See, it's very easy. Now question number 2, it is same like this. See, what is question number 2? What is the price of 3/4 kg potatoes? What is the price of 3/4 kg potatoes? So again same method you have to follow. Potatoes are given. So in front of potato 12 rupees is given per kg, right? So we need to find price of 3/4 kg potatoes. So answer we can find like this way. Price of 3/4 kg potatoes, 3/4 multiply by 12. Why? Because price per kg potato is given 12 rupees. So see, now directly cross division we can do. 12 is given in the place of numerator and 4 is given downside. So we can cut this 12 with the help of 4. 4 3s are. But now in this step we are having 2 digits are remaining. This 3 multiply 3. So we can write like this way, 3 multiply 3, that is ₹9. So ₹9 we are having price of 3/4 kg potatoes. This is your answer, ₹9. Now we are moving further on question number 3. See, your question number 3 is, what is the price of what is the price of 3/4 kg carrots? 3/4 kg carrots. So you can observe here, in front of carrot, price per kg is given ₹16, and we need to find price of 3/4 kg carrots. So we can find like this way answer, that price of 3/4 kg carrots multiply, we will multiply this 3/4 with the 16, because in front of carrot 16 is given. So directly we can cut the 16, because in table of 4 when 16 will come, 4 4s are, right? So we are having remaining digits now, 3 multiply 4, that is 3 4s are 12 rupees. See, you have to mention here the sign of rupees every time while you are writing the answer. Why? Because here price per kg is given in rupees, so you have to mention the sign of rupees. So we are getting this answer 12 rupees of 3/4 kg carrots. Price of 3/4 kg carrots. All the questions are very easy and method is very same. See, now we are moving further on question number 4. See, within this 2 step you can finish this, all the story sums. Now question number 4. What costs more, 1/2 kg onions or 1/4 kg carrots? See, this is little bit different question for you. How? What costs more, 1/2 kg onions or 1/4 kg carrots? Two things together are given in this question. See, first of all we need to find the price of 1/2 kg onion, right? See, so in front of onion the price per kg is given 10. So we can write like this way, that price of 1/2 kg onion, 1/2 multiply, we can write 10, because in front of onion 10 rupees are given. So directly we can cut this 10 with the help of 2. 2 5s are 10. So rupees 5 we are getting here, price of 1/2 kg onion. Now let's find price of 1/4 kg carrots. Price of 1/4 kg carrots, that is 1/4, and price per kg of carrot is given ₹16. So we can multiply with the 16, right? Now 4 4s are 16. So 4 we are getting as an answer. So price of 1/4 kg carrots we are having ₹4. So now what is your question? What costs more? In short, किसकी प्राइस ज्यादा है, 1/2 kg onion or 1/4 kg carrots? So we have to do here comparison, right? So you can observe, price of 1/2 kg onion we are getting ₹5, and price of 1/4 kg carrots we are getting ₹4. So which digit is bigger? Which digit is bigger? Obviously this 5, right? So we can write our answer here, that 1/2 kg onion. Right? That means 1/2 kg onion cost more. Now your question number 5 is, what is the price of 3/4 kg of pumpkins? Question number 5. What is the cost of 3/4 kg of pumpkin? So you can observe here, pumpkin price is given per kg ₹4, right? And we have to find the cost of 3/4 kg of pumpkin. So we can write our answer like this: price of 3/4 kg of pumpkin multiply 4. Why? Because in front of pumpkin, rupees per kg is given 4, right? So see, in this step you can observe one thing, that 4 and 4 are same, but this 4 is in place of numerator and this 4 is in place of denominator. So same digit, if same digits are given in place of numerator and denominator, so directly it can be cut like this, right? So answer we are getting only 3, ₹3. So ₹3 we are getting price of 3/4 kg of pumpkin. This is your answer. I hope that all you have understood this story sums very well as per this table. So thank you. Have a nice day.